In this video, we'll discuss an easy-to-use, highly profitable trend reversal strategy that's perfect even for beginners. Get ready to transform your trading approach and achieve success effortlessly. Stay with us till the end for all the valuable information. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates on trading strategies. Go to the Search Indicators tab, type Sniper Stochastic, and select it by Spread Eagle. Adjust the settings. Input tab, keep the default settings. Style tab, uncheck background, and customize colors for clarity. White for the first plot, navy for the second plot. Click OK to confirm. Purpose. The Sniper Stochastic identifies overbought and oversold areas using 3 simultaneous signal lines. Oversold area, look for buy opportunities. Overbought area, look for sell opportunities. Return to the Search Indicators tab, type Half Trend, and select it by Evergatet. Adjust the settings. Input tab, set amplitude and channel deviation both to 4. Style tab, customize colors, e.g., green for the first half trend, ATR low and arrow up. Click OK to confirm. Purpose. The half trend indicator provides trend signals and guides your entry points. Green arrow line indicates a buy signal. Red arrow line indicates a sell signal. How to use the strategy. Placing a buy order. Check Sniper Stochastic. If all 3 lines enter the oversold area, wait for them to exit. Confirm with half trend. Wait for the half trend line to change from red to green, or for a green arrow to appear. Candlestick confirmation. Ensure the next candlestick is bullish. Enter the buy order. Place the order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set stop loss at the ATR low point. Set take profit. Use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Placing a sell order. Check Sniper Stochastic. If all 3 lines enter the overbought area, wait for them to exit. Confirm with half trend. Wait for the half trend line to change from green to red, or for a red arrow to appear. Candlestick confirmation. Ensure the next candlestick is bearish. Enter the sell order. Place the order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set stop loss at the ATR high point. Set take profit. Use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Enjoyed the video? Drop a comment, share your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert trading tips. See you in the next video.